Hello again. This is the next video of the RMAN. Today I will talk if we have a problem with the operating system and we lose some files from the database. Suppose that we lose data files from the database. So we have to try this and how we use the backup that we do in the last lecture, how we solve this. Let us start. Go to SQL plus sysdb shut down. Now we are shutting down the database. My scenario is here. We are going to break the database variables. I will delete the file and show you how to fix it. Okay? In simple steps. So we go from here. Now we close the database. Exit df -h cd u01 Oracle or data ls see here we see we find our table spaces and data file. Suppose that I delete test that I created for test period or test purpose. Okay, remove it. If we check here, we don't have test table space in our system. So we go back to SQL plus to check the error. Suppose this happened and you want to fix it. Now we need to go to the database and startup and check what is happened and we see what is going on. Okay, we see we have a problem here. We're losing data file 5. That is the table space test underscore ts. So what to do? Let's shut down again because we are not able to open the database or startup. We have to put it in startup in mount state. So go again, sysdb, put the database in startup mode, startup mount, only mount state, not open, to use our backup. We wait the database to start up. Now our database is start up. Okay, mount it. We go from here, close, clear. Now we go to our main tool, RMAN, connect target. Okay, we need to restore data file. Restore data file 5. You remember that data file test is number 5 in the backup when we finish. Okay, now it's retrieving. If we see here, restoring data file 5 to test kit, they retrieve the same data file to the same location. okay, from backup set. Now our data file is restored back to our database. If we try to exit here and go back to SQL plus to check if the database can be open now or need something else. Just check. Okay. Alter database open. Alter database open. The same need recovery. Find needs media recovery. Recover data file 5. Okay. Recovery is complete. Now alter database open. Now the file is restored and the data file is restored from our full backup. So the backup now save our data and save our database. It is fixed now. You must save the database. Okay. Now we finish the main things. We finish the main things. We make a full backup and store it in the server. The second part, we delete table space physically to check how to restore it from our backup. This is the main things that we learned from the second video. Thank you. Thank you very much. And I want your support. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. Next time I will go deep and we will see how time travel to fix a human mistake. Suppose that in the next time we find we will do a video that if the human mistake delete data from a table or table space and how we restore to the last point that we have. Thank you very much. Thank you from me, Muhammad Shanishi. Thank you very much. Next time we will. I hope that we join me to the next or the third video about RMAN. Thank you very much. And please don't forget to hit button for like and subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Thank you. Goodbye.